PRC to Philippine National Police.
My task is to discuss the MATP or the Master Education Training Program for the calendar year 2025. Give the background of the PRTC. The PRTC project.
Good morning everyone. Sir, ma'am, in behalf of the Chief of Police in the 5, Police Colonel Richard Kanya, and Police Executive Master Sergeant Ryan P. Tesas, the reigning Executive Senior Police Officer or the desk for. At the same time, the Chief Tactics and the Chief PIO, also known as O1. My task is to discuss the MATP or the Master Education Training Program for the calendar year 2025. But before that, allow me to give the background of the PRTC. The PRTC the main mission is to provide mandatory and leadership training para sa ating mga police non-commissioned officers. And the PRTC 5 is under the supervision and control of the Philippine National Police by virtue of the Republic Act 11279. Okay? An act transferring from the PPSC to Philippine National.
Puso kong ito, ngunit kahit puno ng lihim man aking pagkatao.
For the upcoming mandatory course, this is scheduled on July 1 and July 1. We have one class as per ng ating R8. Nandiyan yung R8. Mayroon tayong only one class. Number of participants total of 50. Today ay magkakaroon ng neuro exam OCC. Okay, I encourage all the friends na kunin natin yung ating OCC. Napakaganda ng ating OCC. Okay lang sana kung tayo ay graduate ng MS43. Kasi kung tayo ay MS43 graduate o the POCC, ay magkakaroon ng equivalency. Okay, ma-extend kayo dun sa OCC para magamit natin sa promotion. Parang katulad sa akin. Kung ako, hindi ko na kailangan mag-undergo ng OCC dahil may equivalency na ako. I am the product of the Probationary Officers Training Corps or the MS43. Ang tawag yan sa armed forces, Probationary Second Lieutenant. Okay, for the next batch ng ating SLC is scheduled on September 1. Okay, mayroon tayong 2 classes na i-open by September 1. Number of participants total of 100. Yun lang ang dapat natin sa MATP. Okay, for the PSBRC with 198. May 198 tayong police training na undergoing training. Sabi ko nga, doon, for information, ang ating mga police training, kasi majority of our police training is mga relative ng ating mga kapulisan dito sa PRO5. Okay, for information, the PRTC proudly announces that 198 police trainees ay nakapag-maintain. Ito yung best practice ng PRTC5. Mayroon tayong tinatawag na culture of frugality or culture of savings. During our time, siguro tayo ay nag-graduate, wala tayong nasi-save. Siguro, nauso yung 15-15, di ba? 1-5-1-5 ang nare-receive natin. This time, ang ating best practice ng RTC5, as of now, mayroon tayong na-maintain saving balance na 95,000. You can check ang ATM individual account ng ating police training, may laman yan ng 95,000. Kaya by that time na sila ay gagraduate on June 23, aabuti ng 142,000 ang laman ng ATM ng ating police training. Kaya wala na tayong mga, only the basic needs ang kailangan ng ating mga police training. No more issue-matic. Tama, Austria? Sabi niya, graduate. Ang directive ng ating SRTV. Okay? For the GLC, wala tayong
Maging ang buhay kong ito'y ibibigay sa
Okay, for the next batch ng ating SLC,
lakas ng
September
loob ang
1.
iaalay para lang sa'yo. Nais kung malaman mo may karamay ka, nandito lang ako.
Philippine National Police. Hindi ba po tayo na Philippine Public Safety na mayroon na siyang 142,000. This program serves as an excellent model para sa ating, para ma-encourage ang ating mga police trainees para sa financial discipline, ha? Hindi loan dito, taga-loan, di ba? Ano ba tawag sa atin doon? Taga-loan doon, ha? No need na to loan. So, para dahil meron na silang savings na 142,000. Napakaganda, di ba? Ayan ang best practice ng ating PRPC. Okay, in closing, allow me to share with you the quote. Sabi ng ating former Regional Training Director and the person of Police Colonel Amador Magarosa. Sabi niya, great mind discuss ideas. Average mind discuss ideas. Small mind discuss people. Every time we talk about people, it only shows how small your mind is. Gentlemen, ladies, that's all my side. Thank you and good day. See you sa mandatory training. Bye-bye!